Hey, it's Aubrey with Vitality Fitness, and today I have a quick exercise snack for you to work your core. So we're gonna lie onto our back. You don't need any equipment for these exercises. You can use your yoga mat if you like. You're gonna lie onto your back, tuck your core muscles in. I want you to think about tucking those core muscles in like you're trying to suck those tummy muscles in, like you're trying to pull on a really tight pair of pants. Pull everything up and in. All the way from those Kegel muscles, pull all the way up and in. Once you get that feeling, we're going to raise your legs up here, right here. We're going to pull your head and neck up off the floor if you can, and we're going to pulse those arms. So you're keeping your core muscles tucked in, you're tucking your chin down, and you're taking a little pulse here. Work on it from anywhere between 20 and 40 seconds. And see if you can work your core muscles with that exercise. We're gonna bring our legs down, give ourselves a good 20-second rest, and then we're gonna go into a reverse crunch. So we're gonna bring our legs right up here. We're gonna pull those lower tummy muscles in. I want you to think about really pulling those tummy muscles in. So pull them up and in, and my legs will move forward. I'm not actively moving my legs forward, but I'm really pulling my tummy muscles up and in. Sometimes I even keep my hands right here flat on my belly to make sure that those muscles are going up and in. So pull it in, let it go. Pull it in, let it go. Take a breath out as you pull in and let it go. And let it go. Try not to use momentum with that exercise. Try to keep it relatively controlled and not rush that exercise. You can work on anywhere between 8 and 15 repetitions of that reverse crunch. See how it feels for you. The next exercise we're going to do is take those legs up again, pull those tummy muscles in. If you're still working on your core and you're not able to hold those legs up, you can take both feet down here and bring one up, hold for a beat, pull those core muscles in, and bring it down, up, hold for a beat, pull those core muscles in and bring it down. If you are feeling pretty good with your core and you're ready to take it up a notch, you can tap one heel down and bring it back up. Really pull those core muscles in here. Tap the other one down and bring it out. As you get stronger, you can straighten out those legs and tap down and bring it out and tap down and bring it out. Give that exercise snack a try and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more snacks.